Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm gonna show you how to change name in Honor of Kings application using your mobile device. To change your name in Honor of Kings, first of all, open the Honor of Kings app on your mobile device, and once you're in the home page, tap on your profile picture located at the top left corner of the main lobby screen. Now this will open up your profile. From your profile section, go ahead and tap on the settings button at the top right. In the expanded menu, click on Info. Inside the edit card page, tap on the pencil button right next to your username at the top, right next to your profile picture. Now in the text box, go ahead and enter your new name. Remember that you will need to use a name change card to change your name, and changing your name can be done once every 15 days. After typing down the name, click on Confirm. After confirming, if you have the name change card on your account, you will then be able to change your name right away. If you don't have the name change card, you can also spend some tokens to buy them. And that's how you can change your name on Honor of Kings using your mobile device. Now you're ready to stand out in your matches. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.